People will put the refuse and waste in their cars and drive to the express and park out. It's unacceptable. Let's call it spade a spade. So my point being, and I know, we can't do this alone. We need the people that are on the road that will see and that will be there 24/7 to help us enforce this. We're not abandoning this function to you. We're also going to be doing it, but some collaboration is what we're asking for. At one point, I would like the MD of Loma speak, but I have something that I'm going to also add to this. So MD Loma is the owner of this business, of this meeting. We're just supporting because it's one Lagos.
Really by people. So we want you to take that responsibility as our partners to ensure that this does not happen again. That's one. Even yourself, before you can arrest someone, how is your own park? How is your own garage doing? So that is where I want to go to. That even your own garages and parks and those bus stops that you use, you must take ownership of it yourself. Where does some of these litters come from? The people that you are allowed to sell in your garages and your bus stops.
There is nothing that happens in a city that is not done by human beings. Those human beings, for them to do what they do, they must move around. They must move in our cars, they must move on our roads. That is why all over the world, the transportation network, both workers and owners, are part of the security architecture of every city. They are the people, they are the major informants. So when they see something, they say something.
Waste usually comes last. I want to start out by also thanking you because Ishete Shinjo environmental was fantastic. Olojekale, we launched sharing with such good outcome. And I want to plead with you to continue to support us. The next one is coming next weekend. What we are saying is that Lagos, that we all love, is the center of excellence. The people of Lagos are the best in all aspects. Without a doubt, we always produce the best. I don't think it's the people of Lagos who are doing this, but that's Ali Masor or Dube. But what I'm saying is that those of us who love Lagos cannot allow this to continue. We must read a riot act to ourselves that from today on, there must be no waste brought out onto any road. And we know that with the support of the powerful unions that we have with us today, we will achieve that. We don't want any waste on our roads. Drive people back to go and wait for waste to be collected in their house. Don't bring the waste to the road. Make sure you don't allow people to trade at your bus stops. Because like my brother Shola was saying, that's happening statewide. It's not good, and it gives people the impression that they can behave anyhow. And we don't want that in Lagos. Anywhere you see new road construction by the government, you can see the work that the Ministry of Transport is doing with the rates of construction of road. From us at Loma, we immediately go and clean the road. Then by the next day, you see some people coming to trade on the road that we've constructed with so much resources for the benefit of Lagosians. We should not allow that to happen. So I'm pleading with you, and I'm thanking you in advance because you also supported us immensely when we started the environmental sanitation, which is at the end of every month. The next one is next Saturday. But we're now saying that environmental sanitation, we want it to be every single day with this type of enforcement. Clamp down, total clamp down, zero waste on Lagos roads. Thank you.
That enforcement will start So please go back and ensure that you tidy up your garages as you're meant to do that. We're also going to be, since we agreed that we're going to collaborate, any branch that we visit and we go, and we say that this waste has been there, no